party. Alright, let's unbox it. Lolbit, the Lolbit exclusive. The sister location action figures. Funko Punch. So let's see it. I'll be right back. Yes. Rip box. I don't care about that. Lolbit. There he is. Lolbit. It's awesome. I mean, if Lolbit had a jump scare in this game, instead of just Lolbit's head, it should be this. It should have been this. So Lolbit should have, like an Ultimate Custom Night, Lolbit should have shipped Pirates Cove with Funtime Foxy. And then, it's cool. It's cool. I think it's really cool. You're like, Evan, this is what I think Lolbit's jump scare would be like. Not that. It would be like, that, but with the sister location jump scare noise and the faceplate opening. I think that would be really cool. So yeah, hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, smash the like button. YouTube channel, make sure you do subscribe. And see you guys next time. Oh, and also, LOL. Lol.